Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Nalutsa from Avatar 2: The Way of Water. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with the Nalutsa, let's begin with the eye. So let's start right here, and we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to curve it back here. Then we'll make a little circle shape right here for the eye. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring this down to here. Then we'll make a couple little lines right underneath here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then back down to here for part of the eye. Next, we're going to start up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to bring it down. And then we're going to curve it in just a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to come down to a point and back. And we'll make another little point right here. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to go down like this. Now I'm going to bring it back up, and it's going to come right over to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and over. And then we're going to add some sharp teeth in there. I'm going to bring a little line that comes down, and we're going to add some more sharp teeth right along here. Next, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down and out to here. I'm going to bring it back. We're going to come up and then into here. And then we're going to add some more little sharp teeth along here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line over, and then we're going to come down. And then we'll make another one that's going to kind of come up and then down. Another one here is going to come out and then down. And then just a couple more back here. Next, we're going to make one that goes out and down here. Then we're going to bring this down, and we're going to come up, and then we're going to make another one that's going to come down here and back. We'll add a couple little points on it. Then we're going to bring this up and down to here. Next, back here, we're going to add a couple more little lines. And then starting right here, I'm going to make a long flipper. It's going to come down here. We're going to curve up and in. Leave a little space, and we'll make another one. It's a little bit more of a medium size. Leave a little space, and we'll make one more that's much smaller right here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then we're going to make a couple little lines that are just going to go down and across, or over and across. And just kind of bring it up here. And we'll curve it right to there. I'm going to make some of these lines connect here, just so we can see the kind of like big shell. Then we're going to make lines going to come down and then up here. Make some little lines right here. And we'll make a couple little broken lines right across the top, just to kind of show where the shell is, even on the sides here. I'm going to curve a couple little lines here, and a couple more here. Make a few broken lines right along the fins for some detail. And even a couple along the mouth too. And then we can just kind of add a few extra little detail lines right along here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Nalutsa from Avatar 2: The Way of Water. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.